Hey everyone, Jenese Porter here with the Porter Group, and I'm here to discuss what you can do right now to prepare for homeownership. As rent prices continue to soar, many renters want to know what they can do to get ready to buy their first home. According to the recent data from apartmentlist.com, the first half of 2021 has seen the fastest growth in rent prices since the start of their estimates in 2017. Our national rent index has increased 11.4% since January. Those rising rental costs may make it seem impossible to prepare homeownership if you are a renter. But the truth is there are many ways you can and you should prepare to purchase your home. Here are some expert advice on what to do about how to escape from rising rents. Experts agree setting aside what you can, even small amounts of money, into a dedicated savings account is a great starting point when it comes to saving for your down payment. This is a savings account separate from your emergency fund that you would use to save for a short or midterm expense. Another tip experts recommend is to take a look at your overall finances and credit score and find ways to reduce your debt. According to the HUD, the average credit score for a first-time homebuyer is a 716. If you're not sure what your credit score is, there are numerous online tools that can help you check it out. If your score is below average, don't freak out. Remember that the average means that there are homeowners with credit scores above and below that threshold. If you find out your score is below the average, there are several ways to improve your credit before applying for a loan. HUD recommends reducing your debt as much as you can, paying your bills on time, and using your credit card responsibly. Finally, it is important to talk to someone who understands the market and what it takes to become a first-time homebuyer. That's where we come in. A trusted advisor can help you navigate your specific market and talk to you through all the available options. Having the right network of real estate and lending professionals in your corner can help you plan for your home buying process as well as determine what you can afford and how you can get pre-approved when you are ready. Most importantly, we can help you understand how homeownership is achievable. Don't write homeownership off just because you have a low income. With the right tools, resources, and assistance, you can still achieve your dream. If you're planning to be a homeowner one day, the one best thing that you can do is start preparing now. Even if you don't think you're going to purchase for a few years, let's connect today and to discuss the process and set you up for success to your journey of becoming a homeowner. Again, my name is Jenese Porter. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you so much.